on a street called Rua de Tercena. We're also near Rua dos Invernarios, which we are not going to film, but we did film kind of recently. But this one right here, we have, this kind of opens up into this whole other area. We have some nice piano playing that's over there. We're going to focus on that as well. And then we're going to walk down, all the way down this way, and just kind of see what we can see on Rua de Tercena. And we'll kind of explain the area a little bit too. So yeah, let's check it all out. Tercena, Tercena Street. Before we even get started here real quick. This is one called Nossa Senhora de Emporo. And this one is Rua dos Invernarios. Okay, right there. You can look all those up on Google Maps. And that's ours, Tercena. Let's go down and check out the music. Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. So there's Tercena. We also got some kind of cool little alleys everywhere. Really interesting building and a piano player right there. And we got some artwork right here as well. Dream High. Deco Central. Okay, let's go check out that music. It's actually kind of cool. You got like those chairs that are out like that too. Okay. So we're gonna try to check out the music right there. So this is a quiet street, isn't it? Okay, so let's go down our target street. No cars coming. There's some pretty cool artwork there too, right? So let me just kind of check this out real quick. Try to capture it. There we go. So now we kind of have a view of that little street like that. I think this car's been by a couple times. Basically this Invernarios, which is like street of the herbalist, a lot of antique shops, tourist stuff. You can actually see Galaxy, not Galaxy, Grand Lisboa. Nice balconies too, all kinds of cool stuff everywhere, and a lot of artwork. Now we're just going to walk down the street a little bit. These balconies kind of protrude out a little bit. Looks cool. Okay. So we kind of have to let the crowds go a little bit. Some other cool artwork. Oh, kind of like a stream of people today. Just want to read this. There's a bunch of different languages. So there's Annyeonghaseyo, Korean, hola, hello. So, okay. I guess there's not too many languages, Korean and Spanish. Got some antique shops here. So that whole street behind us has a lot of antique shops anyways. Rua de Tercena, it looks like there's like two streets that meet, and then Tercena is this street. So we started at the beginning of Tercena Street. And we saw a lot of people down here earlier. Struggling a little bit with the back. That's amazing right there. That bike looks like it's about ready to die. Check this out. I guess you could park in here maybe. All kinds of traffic here today as well. That's hilarious. Okay, let's see if we can. I don't think I've filmed that street before. Stinker's house. This looks really popular. So now we're kind of in this little corner right here. There's a bakery right there too. So all kinds of cool stuff. So that's Tercena all the way down. Let's keep on walking down. Edificio. So actually this line goes all the way around like that. So I couldn't tell you what that is yet, but there's like lines here and there's lines all the way down. So let's just kind of see where this line goes. Teatro, okay, so teatro is down like that. So yeah, that line is long. So I guess it's all for that one right there. Oh, I think I know that one. Iz was showing me this particular place has something that's really well known. So these might be mostly tourists coming in from maybe Hong Kong or mainland China, and they know about it. But yeah, Coco's, I think it has like some coconut in it as well. So we're gonna walk down and check it all out. Yeah, actually a lot of people are taking pictures too, right? But yeah, it's like a kind of a coconut, so you can see what they got there. So I think they're all just coming and getting it, and then they're free to go. Yeah, that's too bad. I was with Iz, and I think it was closed that day. But I don't think the lines are kind of crazy long. We're going to try to go that way, see if we can wait for those cars. Okay. So yeah, all the people here are just in line for predominantly that. Almost everybody has that right there. So it's amazing. Okay, so we're gonna continue on. We're just kind of waiting for the cars to. It's like hard to even walk. 116. Oh, this is Indonesian food. Satay. Huh. It's kind of cool right in there too. So there's a whole Indonesian restaurant here called Ware. Ware means restaurant. Warung Indonesia. Huh. Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking down. So yeah, that's our target street all the way down there. Pretty crowded in that space. Indonesian restaurant right here. It's called Cafe Sambal Jawa Indonesia. Tercena keeps going down. And we have more kind of interesting stuff down this way, so we'll walk. So all the people here are eating the coconut. We're still at Tercena. There's a hua, and then there's a patio too. But we're gonna keep on walking down. All right. This right here is for tsunamis. The tsunamis come in. So that's kind of like a measurement of how deep the tsunamis are. So that's our target street, Tercena. Pretty cool little space. We keep on walking down, of course. I think it's gonna end at the end there. I think this comes up to like this thing called Rice Street. We'll see. That looks kind of cool. That building is like a nice couch in there. So that's basically our street. And I think this just keeps on going down. And we'll see. So now it ends. So that's actually Rua dos Fataios. So we're gonna end it there. And there's all kinds of like kind of cool stuff here. And that's actually the end of the street right there. So that'll be the end of Tercena. So kind of an interesting street, I think. Now we get to walk towards the cars instead of... So, okay. So we're just gonna walk towards it a little bit and then we're gonna end the video. It's kind of a cool building right there. Actually, this is such an interesting street. I think I'm just gonna walk down it one more time, right into the crowds, because that's some of the best video anyways, when you got people coming walking at you. Okay. So that's Tercena. Okay. So kind of cool. Actually, that's kind of cool right there. I think we're just gonna end it. Put a Tercena right there. So actually I should end it to where the music is at, because that's kind of the best spot. So I need to see if that music is still going or not. Check that out. Okay. Got a lot of cool stuff on Tercena Street. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.